Grade 8, Lesson 9, Force and Pressure.
When we open a door, squeeze out toothpaste from a tube, pick up the school bag, throw a ball, kick or hit a ball and move or to stop a moving object, these all activities use force. Even the earth is exerting a force on us all time. It is pulling all of us and all things on the earth towards it. Thus we use force all the time. As well as generally, we have heard and used the word pressure in connection with pressure cooker, low pressure region over the Bay of Bengal or the Arabian Sea, low or high blood pressure. What does the word pressure mean in physics? In this chapter, we will learn about force and pressure in detail. Force is an external agent in the form of a push or a pull. Force can be of different types and can produce different effects. Force is always applied in a particular direction. The amount of force applied is called the magnitude of force, and the direction in which the force is applied is called the direction of force. For example, when you pull a table drawer out, you apply force towards yourself. Similarly, when you want to close a door, you apply force or push the door away from yourself. In the same manner, when you want to fill air in the tube of your cycle tire, you push the pump or apply force downwards. Thus we can say a force always has direction. In International System of Units, the unit of force is Newton. Other units of force are dyne, kilogram force and pound force. Effects of force.
We have learned that a force is a push or a pull acting on an object. To understand the effects of force, let us take some more examples. A force can make a stationary object move. When a force is applied to an object at rest, it begins to move. For example, by pushing a car, the car begins to move. Force can change the direction of a moving object. There are many activities that show a force can change the direction of motion of a moving object. During the game of cricket, the batsman changes the direction of the moving ball by touching or striking it with the bat at a suitable angle.
Force can change the speed of a moving object. What happens if a force is applied to a moving object? If the force is applied in the direction in which the object is moving, it begins to move faster. If the force is applied in a direction opposite to the direction of the motion, the object slows down. For example, a person gives a push to the swing to make it faster. If the person pulls the swing in the opposite direction, the swing begins to slow down. A force can change the shape and size of an object. For example, when an inflated balloon is pressed with hand, its shape and size change. Same as when a spring is pulled or pushed, its shape and size change. The shape and size of an iron strip change on hammering. The shape of the toothpaste tube changes on squeezing.